Hello, welcome to my today's channel. As you can see, I am not closer or I am not at home today. I traveled all the way from east down to the north, so I have a special message or something that I want to share with you people in today's video. How you can kill cockroach, lizard within 5 minutes with 5 powerful ingredients. And these 5 powerful ingredients are very powerful, so apply them. Do what I will teach you in today's video. They will help you to kill lizard, cockroach or any other insects in your room or in your compound. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the 5 ingredients that will help you to get rid of lizard, cockroach and other insects in your compound. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, do well to hit the like button, subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell to get you notified whenever I publish a good video like this. Now, what are the ingredients that will help you to get rid of pests or insects in your room? I have some ingredients that you can mix together. They will help you to terminate any form of pests or insects in your compound. Try them. You will have a testimony. Number 1 ingredient you need, which is very important, is onion. That is the onion magic. Onion is the main ingredient you need to do this. Now, the second ingredient you need is baking powder. Yes, baking powder. Number 3 is lime. 4 is water. And the last is spraying can or spraying bottle, which you will put the mixture and start spraying it around your room or around the compound. Now, how do you go about this? When you bring the onion, grind it. After grinding, add water and stir it properly to get the juice. After stirring the juice, add baking powder in it. After adding baking powder, add a little quantity of lime. This lime is very important in this mixture. Now, after this mixture, add more water and stir it properly. After the stirring, then filter it to get the actual juice of these ingredients. This juice will help you to get rid of all these insects in your room. Now, after the mixture and after filtration, put it in a spraying can or a spraying bottle that will help you to splash it any place of your choice or those places that those insects normally come to disturb you or to destroy your gadgets, equipment, your food items. So those places that you find them, spray this mixture there. In less than 5 minutes, any cockroach or lizard that come around will die. So this mixture will help you to kill lizard, cockroach or any other pests that disturbs you in your room or compound. And this is what I want to share in today's video. Try it and you will get a value. You will come back here and give me testimonies. So thank you for watching. I hope you get value from watching this video. Please support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe and make sure that you turn on the bell so that anytime I publish video concerning men, natural ways to keep men, or videos like this, you will get notified and be the best and be the first, to watch it. See you in my next video. I wish you good luck, long life and good performance as a man. Bye.